Friends, today we are taking you inside an amazing Asian factory where the centuries-old and still extremely popular iron charpai is made. Yes, the same traditional charpai that is widely used in the villages of India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Earlier it was made with rope weaving, but now it has taken a modern form, strong, durable, and completely made of iron. Today we will see how this fixed iron charpai is mass-produced in large numbers every single day. As soon as the main gate of the factory opens, the first things you notice are huge machines and workers busy in their tasks. Everywhere you look, there is the shine of metal, the sound of machines, and the smell of hard work. The entire factory is divided into different sections. The first step starts with iron pipe cutting. Heavy iron pipes are unloaded from trucks and brought to the cutting section. Here, an automatic cutting machine cuts the pipes with precise measurements. Every charpai requires different lengths, side frames, leg frames, support strips. All are prepared in exact sizes. The blade of the machine is so sharp and powerful that it slices through the thick iron pipe within seconds. Next, these pipes are sent to the welding section. Skilled welders here join the running frame. This job requires a lot of focus and experience because the entire strength of the charpai depends on it. Workers fit the pipes at perfect angles and weld them firmly using welding machines. The flying sparks light up the air. Every joint is welded from both sides so that the frame never loosens. Slowly, the basic body of the charpai begins to take shape. The side pipes, the front and back frames, and all four legs are joined together. Each frame is also marked with a number so that every part remains in order for the next steps. Now comes the most interesting part of the factory, iron weaving, the creation of the metal bed mesh. In old times, charpais were woven with rope. Here, the same tradition is recreated in a modern way. Thick iron rods are fed into a rolling machine, which flattens them into iron strips. These strips are extremely strong and hold the full weight of whoever sits or lies on the charpai. The machine produces each strip in exactly the same width. Workers cut them according to the size of the charpai using a cutting machine. Then workers bring these strips to fit them into the frame. Each strip is placed at a specific angle, and then another strip is crossed over it. This forms a strong mesh, which becomes the base bed of the charpai. Each strip is tightly fixed using small bolts and welding spots so that it never moves. This is the part that makes the charpai fixed and unbreakable. Workers use hammers and machines to tighten it so strongly that the charpai does not break for years. Once the entire frame and bed are ready, the charpai is taken to the grinding section. Here the machines smooth out all the sharp edges of the frame. Welding marks are cleaned. The frame is polished so well that no roughness is felt when touched. This step is very important because it not only improves the look of the charpai, but also enhances its durability. Next comes the painting and polishing section. The charpai first receives a rust-free coating. This coating protects it from rain, sunlight, moisture, and changing weather conditions. In Asian villages, charpais are often used outdoors, so weather resistance is extremely important. After the coating, it is painted in bright colors: black, maroon, dark green. Large spray machines apply the paint evenly across the entire frame. After painting, the charpai is placed in a warm drying room so that the coating lasts for many years. After this, the fitting section begins. Here, rubber or plastic caps are placed on the legs so the charpai does not scratch the floor or make noise. Nuts and bolts are tightened on the side frames to give final strength. Then every charpai undergoes a weight and pressure test. In this test, workers sit on it with full force, shake it, and put pressure with machines to check if any part is loose. If everything is perfect, the charpai is sent to the packing section. In the packing section, protective covers are placed on all four corners. The entire charpai is wrapped in plastic and loaded into trucks. These trucks then transport the charpais to markets, shops, and villages all across Asia. Hundreds of charpais are produced daily in a single factory. This is not just a bed, but a part of our tradition, our craftsmanship, and our cultural identity. In Asian homes, it is used not only for sleeping, but also for sitting with guests, evening gatherings, conversations over tea, and as a symbol of old cultural roots. Even today, when you see an iron charpai in a village courtyard, a farm, or a roadside resting area, remember that behind it lies the hard work of an entire factory, the skills of workers, the precision of machines, and a tradition that has been alive for centuries. That is why the iron charpai is still considered one of the most reliable and traditional pieces of furniture in Asia.